Hello, I'm ESA astronaut Samantha Cristoforetti, and I would like to thank you for submitting your ideas to the ESA Lunar 3D printing contest. I'm talking to you from the European Astronaut Centre in Germany, which is the home of Europe's space travelers. We train here for our flights to the International Space Station, but we are also preparing future missions beyond low Earth orbit and back to the surface of the Moon. In the Lunar Analog facility, it's called Lunar, which we are going to build here very soon, we will test technologies, techniques, operational concepts that will enable those missions on the surface of the Moon. And 3D printing is very high on the list. 3D printing allows us to do more with less. We can exploit local resources. We can recycle materials, pieces, parts that we already have. And that enables us to not need such a complex logistics chain from Earth. So basically, harnessing 3D printing, we hope to be able to go to space, to stay there. And imagine when I was on the space station 3 years ago during my Futura mission, I actually had the chance to operate the very first 3D printer for microgravity. And since then, ESA has led numerous projects trying to apply 3D printing to space exploration. Right now, my ESA colleagues at the European Space Research and Technology Centre in the Netherlands are partnering with the European industry to perform what we call a system-level study on applying 3D printing to building and maintaining a moon base. In plain English, that means investigating all the possible ways that 3D printing can be used, for example, for producing building blocks or electronics, for tools, clothing, even food. But the human factor is very important. The occupants of a lunar base will have to feel secure and happy on the Moon. So we decided to crowdsource the question. What would you 3D print on the Moon to make it feel like home? My colleagues and myself are really looking forward to the full range of your ideas. And the winning ideas will actually be 3D printed, if that is right now technically possible. So thank you so much for your interest, your enthusiasm, and your ideas. Ciao!